Hello everyone, welcome to Heartypedia channel. Are you feeling something unusual? Do you feel like there is something not right with your body? Developing uncommon symptoms? Then there are chances it could be cancer. The early detection of symptoms is the best solution for cancer. In this video, we are going to discuss various early signs we can develop if we have cancer. So sit down and watch the video with attention till the last sign, because this is one of the most important signs that can prevent and save your life or anyone else around you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can share with you the top health tips regularly. So let's get started. Number 1. Abnormal periods. This is a sign women should be cautious of. As a woman, if you are having irregular periods, then you should have it checked to make sure it is not cancer. The irregular periods do not itself cause cancer, but it does increase the chances of developing ovarian cancer. For the irregular periods, are there any early signs to find out if it can be cancer? Yes, there are. You can develop some early signs like pain in the pelvic region, need to urinate more often, or feeling full after eating less. What causes ovarian cancer? Developing ovarian cancer can have various risk factors, and any of them is enough to develop ovarian cancer. One of them is simply aging. Others are having children above the age of 35, obesity, genetics, or even family cancer syndrome, which means it could be running in your family history. So what is the best solution to tackle the sign of abnormal periods? Go to your doctor if you develop any early symptoms of ovarian cancer for more than a year. The doctor will have a common procedure first in case of some detection of any serious symptoms of cancer. He will do some tests like CT scans, laparoscopy, or biopsy and will let you know what to do next. Number 2. Changes in the bathroom habits. Did it ever cross your mind that your bathroom habits can save your life? I think not. But yes, this is true. It can be a blessing as it can let you know quite early if you are developing early cancer. If you feel sudden change or disturbance in your bathroom habits, then there are chances it could be colorectal cancer, which is also known as bowel cancer or colon cancer. There is an early sign that should stay careful to detect bowel cancer. If your excretions are unusual in shape or size, especially thinner than usual all of a sudden, then the chances do exist. That is because bowel cancer causes blockage in the rectum and there is less space for your poop to come out, causing it to be thinner. Most of the time, the bowel cancer gank on its victims with almost no warning, and by the time a patient finds out about it, he is left with almost no solution to the killer condition. However, you can prevent it by seeking help from researchers who provide services for early detection of cancer in people, be it normal people or people with hereditary history. If you have developed serious symptoms, there is no helping but going to your doctor. Cancers bleed. If you're having blood in your poop, go to your doctor and let them know. But do not just jump to conclusions. Other diseases can also cause bleeding, so just wish for the best. Number 3. Bloating. Bloating is a serious warning for women. Temporary bloating is normal and there is nothing to worry about. But if it becomes permanent and does not go away for at least a month, then this is a symptom of ovarian cancer. Your belly may feel full or very hard during such a condition. How do we find out if the bloating is really serious this time? Well, some symptoms come with it like constipation, disturbed stomach, fatigue, back pain, or even weight loss. These are all normal conditions, so do not just jump to the conclusion. There are many causes for such symptoms other than cancer. If the bloating lasts for more than 3 weeks, this is the time for you to go to your doctor or your physician. He will prescribe you to avoid certain foods to prevent them from further worsening, and he will run some medical tests including a colonoscopy, endoscopy, blood test, and imaging test before he gives you further suggestions. If it is confirmed about having ovarian cancer, then it causes fluid to accumulate in your gut. Chemotherapy is a temporary solution to help reduce the fluids. The doctor may remove fluid from your gut to give you some comfort. Number 4. Chronic coughing. Just like bloating, coughing is also pretty much normal to have. Coughing could be the result of many causes, but none of them last that long. Chronic coughing can be the sign of lung cancer if it lasts longer than 3 weeks. If the coughing makes you vomit blood, then the condition could be serious. What are the major causes of developing chronic cough? Number 1. Smoking. Most of the patients that develop lung cancer are found to be persistent smokers. So, if you smoke, just quit it for your own good. I want to mention here that a smoker having chronic coughing does not absolutely mean cancer, but it is a warning or a chance for smokers to start taking it seriously. There are still chances of developing chronic coughing for non-smokers too if they suffer from conditions like asthma or postnasal drip. The early stages of lung cancer can be prevented with proper care and doctor's prescriptions. If the cancer cells have grown, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and targeted therapy are the normal treatments to cut out the abnormal cancer tissues. Need to be done on the patient. Number 5. Difficulty swallowing. Can difficulty in swallowing mean cancer? Usually, most people do not have any difficulty swallowing. Well, not till you try to eat a loaf of bread bigger than your mouth can hold, but there are possibilities to develop cancer if you are suffering from difficulty in eating. This kind of cancer is called esophageal cancer. Commonly, esophageal cancer is not easily detectable, not until the patient experiences the symptoms. But the factors that can be a part of developing esophagus cancer are obesity, alcohol, or smoking. Some health disorders like Barrett's esophagus or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Let's discuss some of the symptoms that can cause esophageal cancer so you guys can be cautious of them in the future, including trouble swallowing, indigestion, heartburn, chronic cough, or bleeding in the esophagus can be a symptom of this type of cancer. If any of you develop the symptoms, schedule a meeting with your doctor. Most of the times, these symptoms are not the cause of cancer, and in that case, your doctor will recommend treatment to control these. For serious signs, the doctor may use endoscopy to check for tumors in the esophagus and remove them using biopsy treatment. Number 6. Excessive bruising. If you bumped into a table and get bruising on your leg, then you do not have to worry about it. But the excessive bruising is the most prominent sign of early cancer, especially blood cancer. Bruising is usually caused by bleeding inside the skin. The normal bruising can look exactly like the bruising from leukemia, blood cancer, and it can make fools of even experts. But what is the reason behind blood cancer? It could be because of a lack of healthy blood cells. Our bone marrow contains cells that develops into other cells, like white blood cells or platelets. In leukemia, the bone marrow fails to work properly and starts making abnormal cells. It produces these cells so fast that they can crowd the normal cells as well and cause bruising on the skin. Normal bruising can easily be misunderstood with blood cancer, but most of the time it is just bruising. But if it starts to appear more often and stays much longer, then take it seriously. Take your blood test and take the report to your doctor ASAP. Any delay in such a situation can be harmful. Number 7. Unexplained weight loss. Weight loss is good, but if it is achieved with healthy methods. You will never want to have an unexplainable weight loss. I mean, if you did not even try to lose weight at all and still abnormally losing it, then this could be a serious issue and in worst case, cancer. This type of weight loss can be a sign of different types of cancers like the cancer of the esophagus, stomach, pancreas, or lung cancer. To confirm if the weight loss can have any link with cancer, other symptoms that come with it are a lack of hunger, nausea, and difficulty in chewing food. Do not jump to conclusions just yet, because lots of other diseases can also cause abnormal weight loss, like celiac disease, ulcerative colitis, ulcers, and many more. Still, it is better to give a visit to your healthcare. The better you detect it, the better it is for you. So, what is the best time to visit a doctor? If you lost a minimum of 5% of your body weight without diets or exercise, you deserve a visit to your doctor. Your doctor will do a complete diagnosis including blood tests, medical history, family history, or other tests, and will recommend you the best possible solution. Number 8. Unusual lumps. Now the last and dangerous one are unusual lumps. Developing the unusual lumps on the body is also a very early and prominent sign that can lead to late cancer. Lumps are usually caused by having a cold or other medical conditions, but if it does not go away, appearing more, the chances are it could be cancer. So, how can cancer cause lumps, and how to stay away from it? Let's find out. These lumps appear when any random part of your body starts experiencing abnormal production of cell division. They start to produce so fast that these cells are accumulated on one spot and make a big lump. It is extremely important that you discuss it with the doctor. If the lump is about the size of a golf ball or even bigger, the situation can be alarming. Let your doctor know about other symptoms or newly developing lumps. Any type or form of cancer is nothing less than a curse, but even curses can be handled if taken care of at the right time with proper guidance. With this video, anyone must be able to detect any kind of early cancer if it exists. I hope you like this video. We will keep on bringing more fun and interesting videos for you guys. This is it for today. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of health tips and much more. Check out this playlist of Heartypedia channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. See you next time.